So very quickly, I'm going to guide you on how to open a LinkedIn page. Let's say you're a business owner or you're just started in your business and you want to come on LinkedIn to, showcase your business. You need a LinkedIn page and not a personal profile to reach more people and, position your business as the best out there. Now, to create a LinkedIn page is very easy. You might not see this on your smartphone. I'm currently using a system for this, so you might want to use that to you might want to use that for this tutorial. So if you like if you like something like this, please do well to leave a comment and also subscribe to this channel. So for you to get started, you need to log into your personal LinkedIn account. To get access to your personal LinkedIn account, in most cases, you just need to sign up with your email address. Sometimes you just have to sign up with Google and then they create a personal LinkedIn account for you. But if you want to open a business page for LinkedIn, just like pages like this Said Business School, this is a business page. If you want something like this, you can just go ahead to log into LinkedIn on your system. And then if you come to this part, you're going to see different tools. There is Home, My Network, Jobs, Messaging, Notification, and Me. So you're going to go to the part that has for business, this toggle bar, click on it. Once you click on it and you scroll below, you're going to see the part that has create a company page. Go ahead and click on it.
To launch a new business and so you wish to go and create a business or company page for it. So all you need to do is firstly come to LinkedIn and sign into your account, and then go to the top right and go and click on the For Business option in the navigation bar, and come down the section to the bottom to where it says Create a Company. Click there, and now we can go and create this LinkedIn page. So what you can do is choose company. There are a few other options, but in this case we want to do that. Type
So once you click on it, it is going to take you to this section where you can create your page. You can either create the page for a company, and then they have a few other options that you can look into. But I want to create this page for a company. So you go ahead and click on company, and then it will come and then it take you to this page where you can put in the informations of the company.
Type in the organization's name, in this case is Guide Realm, and then you're going to see the URL there. You can actually go and customize that if you want, but I want it just to be Guide Realm. It is available. You can then go and type in the website for your business. That is optional, and you then need to go and type in technology, and I can select it, organization type. I've now logo and a tagline, and then when you're ready, you can go and click on Create Page in the bottom. And just like that, you've now gone and created your page, and you can go and start posting as the business. It's super useful. So if you guys found this useful,
So once you come here, you can put in your company's name, your company's and over here you also have and over here you can also create a unique LinkedIn address. And then if your company has a website, you can come over here and put in the link to the website, and then whatever industry this company is for, you put it over here in the industry, and then you have the organizational size, how many employees you feel that they have. You just put it here in the organizational side, and you have the organizational type. Do well to select the organizational type. Once you've put in all those things, you will come over to this part where you'll be required to upload the logo of the company. Go ahead to upload it here, and then the tagline. Once you click on I verify that I am an authorized representative of this organization, you would have access to Once you click on this part that verifies you as an authorized representative of this organization, this creates page will come on, and you've gone ahead to create your page, and you can start posting and sharing content with regards to your company. I didn't really put in any information here because the company I'm about to open a page for is a very sensitive company, but you can go ahead and try it out and let me know how it works. And let me know how it works in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.